everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this is what you've been waiting for, part 2 of the GBFKE unboxing. Yes, they sent me 6 random white bags. I opened the first 3 in part 1. I'll put the little eye up here for you guys to enjoy. And in part 1, I offered one of the 3 as free for a prize. This beautiful horse one. It is an 80 by 30. And we are going to see at the end of this video who won. Now, please do not say congratulations and the person's name. I like the person to be able to watch and see that they won before seeing it in the comments. So if you do mention the person's name, heads up, I will be deleting or hiding your comment. No offense, giving you fair warning right now. Okay, so let's dive in, and I might be doing another giveaway during this video. You never know, so stay tuned until the end to see not only these 3 paintings, but also to see if you have won or if there's another drawing. Okay, what is in here? And I don't know, to be honest. They picked these out. Okay, so it looks like another bigger one. These are always interesting. Okay, so it has 27 colors. They're all letters. They have both capital and lowercase letters. You can see here how clear the drill field is. Okay, so it looks like a mountain scene with a little boat right here. It is another 80 by 30. Okay, so it gives you 2, because of the length, they give you 2 toolkits with a single placer and a small piece of wax in each. And this is what the scene is supposed to be. Okay, that is beautiful with kind of like a sunset. It is round, and it does not have the DMC numbers on it, but it does have large 270, which is probably, yep, that is the number of the canvas, so they make sure the drills with the right canvas. So let's see what these colors are real quick. I will be doing inventory after, and if I am missing anything, I will cut back in and show you. So look at these colors. They are really gorgeous. Now, looks like there's some white powder in there. I do know that sometimes they put something in there to make sure that it's not oily, because we do not like oily drills. Alright, so there's not a lot of that blue. Okay. There's some pretty colors in here. Same here, you've got some greens, reds, and so on and so forth. So I will wrap these up better off camera, not to bore you guys. Ooh, there goes the toolkit. All right, let's see what's in number 2. Feels like another larger one. You do have to be careful when you're opening these, because see how close that canvas is to the top? You don't want to cut your canvas. It's not the end of the world if you do, because it's the outside. You know, they give you about an inch leeway. Oh, here's another beautiful one. This is also an 80 by 30. The style is slightly different. Looks like some flowers there. Okay, and a peacock. some peacocks here. Yeah, so this is a different style. These are actually, like all the air's been taken out. Like it's, what do you call that? Astronaut freeze, vacuum packed. Crazy. This has 27 colors as well. It has symbols though, which you can see here. I was just trying to see if it had the DMC numbers, but it doesn't. It just has the numbers of the canvas itself. And look here. Yeah, even inside our vacuum packed. Here's some bright, pretty colors, some blues, oranges, pinks. Round as well. Normally these stock images, these discounted companies, you're going to only get rounds. I'm going to roll this back up. I can't re-vacuum seal it, but here we go. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keeps it. Okay, so here's the last one. It's a little bit thinner, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so it has 26 colors. This one goes back to letters, both upper and lowercase. Oh, it's a cute little doggy. And it is a 30 by 30. This is a really cute snack one for a newbie. It's got some good color blocking, but yet some confetti to try out your hand at confetti. It's got a single placer, a green boat, and wax. And then these beautiful colors as well, which I will be inventorying shortly. All right, so thank you so much, GBFK. I would recommend going and looking at their products. I did not get to pick, but I did get to review. So I will need to do one of their products, probably this snack one, so I can get, you know, some flavor there. All right, so let's see who won the horse. And I actually think I'm going to do a giveaway as well. So stay tuned to see which one of the three I open tonight that I will be giving away. Okay, so I brought up part one, and then I'm going to share and copy. I'm going to go over to random comment picker. We're going to put that right in and filter for duplicates. 79 unique commenters. All right, so we're gonna hit start. Oh, Susan! The first diamond painting I did was a blue flower with butterfly partial. I purchased to make it for my mother. Sadly, she passed before it arrived. But it is now framed, and I think about her every day when I walk past it. It is what started my diamond painting obsession. I love it so much. Well, Susan, I hope that you love this horse painting as well, that you have fun with it, or pass it on to a new diamond painter who might enjoy it. Okay? All right. So I am actually going to give away both of these large paintings. We have the mountain scene and we have the peacock scene. First off, I love giving things away that I have received for review, because why not pass off the free to you guys, right? Secondly, I honestly don't have anywhere in my house for these, so I'm going to keep the small snack one so I can do it, give you a review of the product and the drills, but also give you guys at home an opportunity to review this company as well. So we're going to have two winners. Woo, yay! Okay, so what are we going to do? I would love to know What diamond painting company have you not tried that you're dying to try, and why? So let me know. It could be, you know, this one right here. It could be FG Normal. It could be Dreamer Design. It could be DAC. It could be, you know, Diamond Painting Factory UK. Whatever company you wish that you could try that you haven't tried so far that's on your bucket list, and why. So I will be picking probably in the next week or two. I will have another unboxing from this company, and when you see that, that will be part 3. Go ahead and check out and see if you're the winner. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed looking at this company as I did as well, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.